In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add currency pairs in MetaTrader 5. If you're new to MetaTrader 5, or you've just installed it and can't see all the currency pairs you want to trade, don't worry. Adding new symbols is simple once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the process step by step, and I'll also share a few helpful tips so you understand what you're doing and why. First, you need to open the Market Watch window. This is the panel in MetaTrader 5 that shows the list of instruments you can view and trade, including forex pairs, indices, and other assets your broker offers. If you don't see it on your screen, look for the View menu at the top of the platform and select Market Watch, or simply press the usual shortcut key your platform suggests for Market Watch. Once it's open, you'll see a list of symbols along with their bid and ask prices. Next, inside the Market Watch window, you'll need to click on the option to add a symbol. Usually, you can do this by right-clicking anywhere in the Market Watch list. A small menu will appear, and there you should see an option like Symbols or Add Symbol, depending on your platform's exact wording. Click that. This will open a new window where all available instruments are organized, often by category such as Forex, metals, or CFDs. Now you're ready to select a symbol. In the Symbols window, navigate through the folders until you find the group that contains the currency pairs you're looking for. Open the relevant folder and browse through the list. When you see the currency pair you want to add, click on it to highlight it. Then, enable it by clicking the Show button or by double-clicking the symbol name, again depending on your version of MetaTrader 5. Once a symbol is set to Shown, it will appear in your Market Watch list. After you've selected and shown all the currency pairs you want, you can close the symbols window. You should now see your newly added symbols in Market Watch. From there, you can right-click on any of them to open a chart, place orders, or check specifications like contract size and spread. That's all there is to it. By knowing how to open Market Watch, use the Add Symbol option, and select the right currency pairs, you'll have your MetaTrader 5 workspace set up exactly the way you need it.